Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you look around today, terms like global warming, carbon footprint, and eco-friendly are everywhere. But honestly, for a lot of us, the idea of living a completely sustainable life feels a bit overwhelming. We tend to think that going green means giving up all our comfort, moving to an off-grid cabin, or spending a fortune on high-end organic products. But here's the good news. That is a complete myth. True sustainability does not require massive overhauls. It starts right where you are, inside your own home, with tiny, everyday choices. In today's video, we are breaking down 5 incredibly simple and practical sustainable lifestyle changes you can make at home starting today. Not only are these great for the planet, but they are also amazing for your monthly budget. Before we dive into the first tip, let me know in the comments below, what is one small thing you've already done to reduce plastic in your home? I would love to read your stories. Now, let us get started. The absolute easiest place to start your journey is by making simple, eco-friendly switches. Think about the everyday items you use without a second thought. Many of them are single-use plastics designed to sit in a landfill for hundreds of years. Let us look at your bathroom routine. A plastic toothbrush takes up to 500 years to decompose. By simply switching to a bamboo toothbrush, you are choosing a biodegradable alternative that functions just as well. The same goes for your kitchen cleaning. Swap out plastic sponges for natural loofahs or coconut fiber scrubbers. Now, let's talk about energy. Look up at your ceiling. If you're still using old incandescent or fluorescent bulbs, you are essentially burning extra electricity and money. Swapping them out for LED bulbs is a massive win. LEDs use up to 80% less energy and last significantly longer. Combine this with the basic habit of turning off lights and fans when you leave a room, and you will see a noticeable drop in your next electricity bill. It is a small adjustment with an immediate payoff. Our second pillar is a classic concept we all learn in school, but rarely optimize at home. The 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. Let us break down exactly how this applies to a modern household. First up is reduce. This is all about mindfulness before a product even enters your home. The biggest culprit is plastic grocery bags. Make it a hard rule to keep a couple of sturdy cloth bags in your car or by your front door. By saying no to plastic bags at checkout, you are stopping waste at its source. Next is reuse. Before you throw any container into the trash, ask yourself, can this serve another purpose? Empty glass pasta sauce or coffee jars make beautiful, aesthetic storage containers for your kitchen spices, lentils, or even DIY organizers for your desk. Got old, worn-out cotton t-shirts? Do not throw them away. Cut them up into rags and use them for house cleaning, instead of constantly buying disposable paper towels. Finally, recycle. Set up a small, dedicated system in your utility area or kitchen to separate dry waste like cardboard, paper, and hard plastics from your wet kitchen waste. Passing these clean materials along to local scrap dealers or recycling centers keeps them out of landfills and feeds them back into the circular economy. A lot of people do not realize that the food on our plates has a direct connection to environmental health. Adopting sustainable eating habits is highly impactful and, frankly, much healthier for you. The first step here is focusing on local and seasonal produce. When you buy fruits and vegetables that are grown locally and are currently in season, you're cutting down on food miles, which is a massive amount of fuel and emissions required to transport exotic, out-of-season foods across countries or oceans. Plus, local food tastes fresher because it has not spent weeks in a shipping container. The second step is dealing with food waste. Globally, tons of perfectly good food are thrown away daily. Try to plan your meals to avoid overbuying and use up what you have. But for the organic waste you cannot avoid, like vegetable peelings, fruit cores, and coffee grounds, do not toss them in the trash. Start a simple composting bin in your backyard or a small pot on your balcony. Over time, These scraps break down into rich, organic, nutrient-filled fertilizer that your plants will absolutely love. Moving on to step number 4, water conservation. Water is our most precious resource, yet it is incredibly easy to waste it without noticing. Think about your morning routine. If you leave the tap running while brushing your teeth or shaving, you are wasting up to 6 liters of clean water every single minute. Simply turn the tap off until you need to rinse is an effortless habit that saves hundreds of gallons a month. Another game changer for your kitchen or bathroom sinks is installing a cheap faucet aerator. These tiny devices mix air into the water stream, giving you the same high pressure while cutting down total water volume usage by up to 50%. And here's a brilliant practical hack for homes that use an RO water purifier. RO systems discharge a massive amount of wastewater through a side pipe. Instead of letting that pipe drain out into the sink, place a bucket underneath it. You can reuse that collected water for mopping your floors, washing your car, cleaning your bathrooms, or watering your garden. It is an easy way to ensure nothing goes to waste. Last but definitely not least, let's talk about creating green spaces inside your home. You do not need a sprawling, massive backyard garden to connect with nature. Even a tiny apartment balcony or a sunny windowsill is enough. Bringing plants indoors does wonders for your living space. Hardy indoor plants like snake plants, money plants, or aloe vera are incredibly easy to maintain, even for beginners. Beyond looking beautiful and aesthetic, these plants act as natural air purifiers, filtering out common household toxins and releasing fresh oxygen. On top of the physical benefits, nurturing plants has been proven to significantly lower stress levels and boost mental clarity. Watching a small plant grow because of your care creates a wonderful sense of fulfillment and keeps you grounded and connected to nature every single day. As you can see, living a sustainable lifestyle is not about being perfect. It is about making deliberate, conscious choices that add up over time. Every single switch we talk about today is accessible, budget-friendly, and easy to maintain. If you want to read a deeper breakdown of these tips and discover even more ways to transform your home sustainably, I have written a full, comprehensive article on my blog. I have dropped a link to DIYHomeLifestyle.com right down in the description box below. So definitely go check that out. Which of these 5 changes are you going to try out first this week? Drop your thoughts and answers in the comment section below, as I love interacting with you all. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, please give a big thumbs up and share it with your family and friends to spread the green message. If you want to see more practical home and lifestyle content just like this, make sure to click that subscribe button right now. And most importantly, please activate the bell icon and turn on all notifications so you never miss any of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me today. Until next time, keep it simple, keep it green, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.